Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 8 by 10 inch canvas and a teeny tiny little bit amount of paint. And I think that I'm going to give myself permission to just do whatever comes to mind, which is whatever will come out of a bottle. Okay then, so that was not that. Let's try and find some of this. There we go. Now, I'm inclined to mix it up, but I think because I want to play, and I can, that I might as well just go ahead and see what happens if I mix it up with a full-size basting brush. Because I want to. Because again, the name of my book on the Amazon link. And because it's wet paint, even if I don't like the way it looks, I can still use it as the background for the sky that I want to put on, which I probably don't need much more of paint than I have already. And it does kind of work just like a paintbrush in that it's covering the area I need to cover. I'm going to make a mess, but I do clean my tiles after every painting, and I've always wanted to see what this would do. And I'm just going to clean off my brush all the way down on the canvas and throw it in the bucket. Because again, now I have some gold paint, and I know there's some other colors in there. I'm not sure what they are anymore. But I think if I add some dark colors, hopefully I can get something interesting. Also, I never did unclog that bottle, and I keep wanting to use this bottle all day and not unplugging it. Whoa! And the top came off. Okay, I was not expecting that. So we get what we get. We get fingerfuls of paint. And stuff that went everywhere, and it could have been a lot worse, honest to gosh. Yep, I'm finger painting now. Oh well, never mind. So let's just take the paint I've got, and let's put a puddle of it on one side, and a puddle of it on the other side. And let's run them together a little bit as soon as they will go. The top's not going to run down. I don't mind what's on that edge catcher, do I? Do I mind? No, I kind of like it. I'd like to keep it. So let's just catch our paint on the bottom. Yes, something's landed on me. And flow it back on. Move that edge catcher over so it covers the whole bottom. Waste not, want not, that sort of thing. Gonna tip it all the way over and let it pool and run down so I can fill in that spot that's missing and create a really cool pattern, which I can. Yes, I'm still finger painting today, evidently. It looks like a tall cliff. That's pretty neat. I should just fill in with the pink and let it go. That is not what I would call a clean skewer, though. Could stick a couple little trees on there. I wonder where that pink is. I wish I hadn't thrown my basting brush in the bucket now, because that'd be pretty cool. I could put a little ocean down at the bottom. I got some pink. There we go, right there. Neat. Let's just steal it from wherever we can get it. Cliffside. Neato. I haven't used that word in a long time. I don't think very many people do. I'm not sure I ever used it much in the day either, whatever day that would happen to be. I'm trying very hard to find my little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and I'm going to remove... I got a hair wrapped around me? Where'd that come from? My hair is in a bandana for a reason. I'm just going to push that toward that edge. Very cautiously. I'm going to steal a little paint if I can. I kind of want that blue at the bottom. That's the ocean. So I'm going to do that. put a little tiny bit of blue right down there. Probably green would have been better. But that's my little cliff and my little 8x10 cutie. And it's done now. We're going to torch. Right after I drag a skewer around to make anything cohesive. I love how that dips in at the bottom so it really looks like it was worn down by the ocean. Fill in my corner. The corners are often folded and you can't get paint in there. I wonder if I should put a little sun up there somewhere, or another cloud or something. I could probably put a white metallic cloud up there, or a couple, just because we've got plenty of minutes left and there's always another bamboo skewer. And the paint is wet, and that's just too tempting for me. Yes, I like that. This makes me want to add a whole bunch of them though. Now that, especially since I've made that one disappear. Okay, how about another one over here? And one up there. And then I promise, don't believe me, then I promise I'm going to try and torch. Use any residuals that I have. And blend in the background. Touch up any little miscellaneous things that don't belong that I just saw. That I also picked up on the skewer, if you noticed. Probably not. Probably my head is in your way. Could be. It happens a lot. I noticed, checking out my own movies, kind of want a little tiny bit of pink underneath that cloud. So I'm just going to put that right on. Am I? Please? Please, please? Don't squirt out at me. Just... Okay, I got to skewer that, which means I got to clean off my skewer. And I am going to put just a little bit under all those clouds. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, which is, by the way, underneath the video, the Amazon link, and the Pinterest and the Instagram and some cool stuff from from Teespring that I put my designs on. And everything that you buy helps me out a little bit. At no added cost to you as far as the Amazon link goes. Yeah, I like my little purple clouds. Pink, purple, whatever. And my little spirals aren't hurting my feelings either. Do I want something else there? Maybe I do. It's funny, you give me a little extra time and I find a way to use it all up. You wouldn't believe what I could do if I'm given enough time. Really, I promise you. You might be surprised. I love those little clouds. Alright, so that is what it is, including that blue spot. That I didn't really want there. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I'm going to make sure that anything that's uncovered, like that corner, is covered. I'm going to stop picking up the canvas. Oh, I've got drips. That's perfect. When you've got drips, use them. Drips. Usable drips. Nothing on the other side to use them on though. Alright, I'm going to wipe that off. I've got colors dripping over my top. Blend that blue sky in. That's alright. We had a little accident and we fixed it. I could probably... Could I? Do I want to drag my skewer through anything? I could probably put a little black in there and not be unhappy with it, but I think it's okay as it is. It's a quickie. Hey look, there's a little wave down there. That's neat. Let's put some more waves down there. Maybe we'll have a little white cap on that wave. Let's do that. I'm going to I'm going to have plenty of time. There, rough see now. I'm sorry, you're probably looking through my head again, aren't you? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Nice clouds. Very serene. Cliff top. So we torch to release the bubbles in the paint that might be caught from when you add the pouring mediums and when you mix your paints. I see that little naked spot there. And now it's part of the cliff. Now it's a distant mountain beyond the cliff. Okay, it is what it is. I got to be more careful of what's on my skewers because it's not always what I want, what I think I'm going to get, or what I want. And there's still a little paint there. Where was I going to put it? Right there. Yeah, not good to steal paint too much after your. Yeah, there we go. That's punishment enough. So don't stick your fingers in. I need some paint now. Where am I going to get it? I think I have some up here. Yes, I do. Good. Covered my mistake. Now I give up. She says that, but then she sticks her skewer in things again. And trying to compose a design upside down is probably not my wisest decision. But I do like the idea of adding some other things in there. And this time you can't figure out that this is the ocean because it's definitely got the ocean down below it. Rock slide. So I do sell my artwork. I do give lessons in Spring Hill at the house. I do have shop now buttons on my Facebook pages and Facebook groups called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation and Fans and Collectors, both of which you can join. Fans and Collectors, you'll find the volumes of wet and dry artworks from YouTube, and Appreciation Group, you will find other students, people who are learning and making grand progress that I'm very impressed with, really and truly. Things are coming along nicely. People are really catching on, and they're making what I showed them into their own, which is really cool to watch. And I'm very proud of all of them. In case they're watching, they need to know that. I'm very proud of them. And I'm gonna... Here's my water. Alright, I'm good to go. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio, asking you to please give me a thumbs up and to watch more videos for a longer period of time. Both of those things will keep me coming back and making you a video that I post for you every day, because it tells the YouTube algorithm that you think I deserve that. To be placed in better position. I love you guys. There's over 71,000 of you, and I will see you in the next video. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, going, phew, I finally used up all the paint I had left over today. Oh no, there's some more over there. Oh God, I should have known. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Priscilla out. Bye for now.